Okay, these are the numbers in Spanish as well as how to tell time. So, before we can tell time, we need the numbers. So, uno is 1, dos is 2, tres is 3, cuatro is 4, cinco is 5, seis is 6, siete is 7, ocho is 8, nueve is 9, 10 is 10, 11 is 11, 12 is 12, 13 is 13, 14 is 14, 15 is 15, 16 is 16, 17 is 17, 18 is 18, 19 is 19, 20 is 20, 21 is 21, 22 is 22, 23 is 23, 24 is 24, 25 is 25, 26 is 26, 27 is 27, 28 is 28, 29 is 29, and 30 is going to be 30. I'm going to stop here to talk about all the numbers. So all the 10 digits from here on out, 30, 40, 50, and so on, are going to follow the same pattern. This happens after 20. So 30 is 30. 31, 30 and 1 will be 31. For 40, for 40. For 41, it would be 41. Same with other numbers. Say 45, that'd be 45. 50 is 50. 60 is 60. 70 is 70. 80 is 80. 90 is 90. 100 is 100. And just for reference, 101 is for 101. The TO gets added to the end. For 200, 200. 300 is 300. 4 is 400. 5 is 500. 600 is 600. 700 is 700. 8 is 800. 9 is 900. 1000 is 1000. 2000 is 2000, and so on. And again, ciento y uno. If you wanted to add 101 to the end of that, just make sure you have E following each thousandth, hundredth, tens place. And we can't forget about 0. 0 is... Can't forget about 0. 0 is cero. Now it's time for time. A couple of phrases you might need. ¿Qué hora es? That is the phrase for what time is it. When we're saying it's 1 o'clock, we'll use es la una. And for all the other hours, 3, 4, 12, we're going to use son las. Son las 11, it's 11. Son las 6, it's 6. And again, for 1:30 down here, es la 1:30, that's 1:30. And for 12:12, son las 12:12. Alright, so when telling time that is less than 30 minutes, you're going to use Y. And when it's closer to the next hour, say 40 minutes, you're going to use menos. And I'll explain that. When using menos, you're going to subtract the minutes until the next hour. So 3:14 is closer to the early part. 3:14 is less than 30. So it's going to be son las 3:14. Again, E is just and. 8:45, well, this one's closer to 9. So we're going to subtract how many minutes until 9, and that gives us 15. So it's 9 menos 15. Think of menos as less or minus. And some associated words are mediodía for noon, medianoche is midnight, hasta is until, temprano is early, tarde is late, and después is after. And those are the time words.